So another major addition into the main release is the ability to download tables and charts and reports as PowerPoint files. So as you can see from the example we have in front of us, I have a table on my left and I have bar charts on my right. If I was to head over into the chart tools section, you'll see that we have this new option now called export to PowerPoint. If I was to click on this option, you will see that the bar chart will download as a PowerPoint file. It's important to note that in order to do this, the user will require the privilege in order to do this. So under users in privileges, you'll see that the export to PowerPoint is a tick option here. And if a user has this option ticked, then they'll be able to do so. So if I was to open this PowerPoint file that I've just downloaded, you'll see that the bar chart will be contained in the middle here. And we'll have a generation date, a page number, we'll have the title of the chart as well, and any logos you have defined. Now it's important to note that anything that is on the bar chart itself will be inherited by the PowerPoint. So for example, this bar chart has data labels. Now if I was to download this one as a PowerPoint file, the data labels will then display on the actual PowerPoint file as well. This is the same for colors, the name of the bar chart, and any other elements that you change on the actual bar itself. As you can see here, now we have data labels. Now, single charts and tables can be downloaded in the chart tools panel available on each chart. And it's important to note that the charts itself will be converted to an image in the PowerPoint files, whereas tables will be able to be converted into a PowerPoint table, which will enable customization. Any long tables, such as the table here, will be split over automatically in the PowerPoint file, as demonstrated now. If I was to download this long table as a PowerPoint file, you will see that they will be split over 2 pages. So if I was just to open up the PowerPoint now, it'll be split over 2 pages with reoccurring headlines, as you can see. So that's page 1, and we have department, first name and number, and this is page 2 where it continues on, and we still have the headers there. Now, the ability to use this feature, as mentioned, is controlled by user and role permissions in the same way that the download to PDF, Excel, Word, and CSV are, and it is a chart level permission. Now, when you create a report, you will also now have this ability to export as a PowerPoint. So I have this test report here, and if I was to hit on this option, generate PowerPoint, it will do the same thing, and it will generate a PowerPoint file from that report itself. So if I was to open this and show you, you can see that the report is now in a PowerPoint file. In scheduling, you also have this ability now. So if I was to open the sample scheduler here, you'll see that we have all the existing features, so PDF, CSV, Excel, and Word. And now we also have the option to schedule as a PowerPoint file as well.